I've been a single mum, and I've always wanted to do veterinary, but I found it difficult to go through that career whilst bringing up my children. I chose to do the apprenticeship because it meant I could carry on working while I was learning. I did the level 3 diploma in veterinary nursing. I took it because I've always wanted to work in the veterinary industry, and it was something I thought I was capable of doing, and it was a good balance of theory and practical work. It just, when you were doing the theory, it made you understand the job a bit better, and then when you were doing the job, you could put the theory into practice, so it was a really good way of learning. I feel like at this stage in my life, I wasn't sure whether I was ever going to be able to do what I've done now and what I've been able to achieve. The apprenticeship has meant that I have achieved my goal, my dream of working in the veterinary practice, which I didn't think was going to be something I'd have achieved by now. Now I've finished the apprenticeship, I'm now head nurse at the practice, and I'm also clinical coach to the new students that are coming through, which is nice because now I can help them on their journey.